Coffee getting colder tonight. Rain outside the cafe lights. Empty coffee cups beside your chair. Like your shadow still belongs somewhere. Late night silence drifting through the room, and every memory still smells like perfume. Street lights flicker softly through the rain, while old songs keep running through my brain. I watch the city fading after 2, still trying not to think about you. Empty coffee cups and tired eyes, midnight hiding in the neon lights, and every lonely song tonight feels like your voice still passing by. The waitress wipes the counter slow and clean, like she's seen every heartbreak in between. Some nights disappear without a sound, and some hearts never really settle down. Empty coffee cups remain while midnight washes through the rain. Every quiet light tonight still brings your memory back alive. Coffee getting colder tonight. Rain outside the cafe lights.